I'd like to start using a new scale to gauge how my mental health is doing based on how many days I wear the same shirt. It's day 15, but this is shirt day 2. I talked about taking a break yesterday, and I do still believe that, but looking at the week ahead, I do not believe that now is the best time. We have to schedule our breaks. It's really cold today, but tomorrow and Thursday it's going to rain, which means that I can't sit outside in sand. So we have to get as much sanding done today so that we have time to assemble tomorrow and on Thursday. Or just take the whole 2 days off. So here's the lowdown. All of these brown pieces have been wood filled and need to be sanded. This piece still has the seam through it, which means that I jumped the gun and post-process that before I put the two pieces together. They're glued together now, so I'm just gonna have to go through with the wood filler to fill that seam. I put the face together, so this is fully glued together, and then I will start the wood filler on that and then have to wait until Friday to sand it. As for printed parts, we have the left hand. It's pretty small. The left hand goes onto that forearm. We also have some more hair here. And we have another skirt piece, more hair, another skirt piece, and then we started printing the cloak that goes around the torso. There are so many moving parts. This is part of why I feel overwhelmed, but I did try to get it written down of all the things that I need to still do. So on the whiteboard here, first let's talk about the tests. I went through and lined up the leg to the hip as closely as possible so that I could set the angle that I need to boolean the PVC pipe that's going to run through it and print a miniature version of it so that I can see how it's going to stand once it's done. That needs to be tested, as well as the hole that I need to print for the PVC. I think it's 28 millimeters. I have printed this test like 3 times, although I keep losing the test piece. The cloak has all of these pieces: the back middle, back right, back left, lat right. All of those are 2 pieces. The skirt, which we have most pieces for, we're currently printing top 3. We still have top 4. Then there's 4 bottom parts of the skirt that still need to be totally printed. These ones up here with the X means that they haven't been broken down to printable size on Blender yet. So these will be much more than 2 pieces. I calculated how much room the leg is going to need, and it's at minimum 4 pieces per leg. The hand is a problem on the right side because it is attached to the weapon, which means that it's much larger than that and will need to be broken down in a way that I'm not quite sure yet because the sword is very narrow. The sleeves, the sleeve might be what's on the printer right now. So these pieces are also very long and needed to be broken down, which I